This is SAP, powerful, but built for specialists. Getting data out of it means knowing the right transaction codes, entity sets, and filters. Creating an order means navigating a multi-step GUI, and none of it connects to your spreadsheets or your inbox. The SAP AI agent changes that. It gives your entire team, sales, ops, finance, anyone, direct access to SAP data and SAP processes through a single conversation in Gemini Enterprise. Let's walk through it. Start simple. Which orders are worth more than $1 million? The agent builds and runs the OData query against SAP in the background and returns the answer ranked and ready in seconds. That's a result that used to require an SAP analyst, a ticket, and a wait. Want to dig into a specific account? The agent pulls data from SAP, creates the Google Sheet, names it, populates it, and drops the link right into the chat. Here's where it goes beyond reporting. The agent can drive SAP processes, not just read from them. It previews the order and asks for confirmation before anything is posted. Human in the loop, every time. Once confirmed, it creates the transaction in SAP and returns the new order ID. A process that normally means navigating Fiori and filling in fields is done in 2 messages. One more prompt to close the loop. The agent pulls the contact data straight from SAP, drafts the email, and sends it on approval. The entire workflow is handled in a single conversation, all without opening SAP, Sheets, or Gmail separately. And this is just one automation of many. When workflows are scattered across dozens of tools, nothing moves fast. Gemini Enterprise, powered by Zazmic's AI agents, connects them all in a single interface so your teams can access, analyze, and act on enterprise data instantly, just by asking. Want to automate at scale? Connect Google's most powerful AI to your entire enterprise stack with production-ready tools by Zazmic. Contact us to learn more.